God, so excited. The feature I have been waiting for is finally here. You may remember about a year ago, YouTube rolled out split testing for thumbnails as part of YouTube Studio. And now, about a year later, we finally have title testing. So in this video, I'm going to show you how you can use the split testing feature of titles inside YouTube Studio to get more clicks on all of your real estate videos. So here's what it looks like. You will go into YouTube Studio where you upload your video, and you would normally just give it one title, but right underneath the title is a button that says A/B testing. So if you click that, and this will open up. I don't know if everybody has it or if they're rolling it out a little bit at a time. So if you don't see it yet, just sit tight, it's coming. Then we will go to this pane where we've got 3 different titles. So in my example, I want to do a video about a 55 and over community in Cornelius, North Carolina called Bailey's Glen. So I brainstormed a whole bunch of different titles and I tried to approach them from different perspectives. So Bailey's Glen might be the best 55 plus community in North Carolina. That one's kind of curiosity invoking, right? What about Bailey's Glen has a golf cart garage, and is it worth the extra money? So now it's like, oh, we're talking finances. I want to know the answer to that. What about I took a client to Bailey's Glen? Here's what happened. That's a very popular title strategy that's working very, very well on YouTube right now. So you will come up with your 3 different title ideas and then set the test. Now, do not do the title and the thumbnail simultaneously. And here's why. I need to talk with my hands to demonstrate this, because we'll end up with 9 different variations. We'll have title 1 with thumbnail 1, title 1 with thumbnail 2, title 1 with thumbnail 3, title 2 with thumbnail 1, and we'll end up with too many variations. And then if one is clearly outperforming the rest, you won't really know, was it the title or was it the thumbnail that made the biggest difference? So let's just do one at a time, just the thumbnails or just the titles. Pick the winner, and then you can always start a new test. There's nothing that says you have to do this one time and one time only. So we're going to pick our titles. We will say set the test. And then depending on how many views your videos typically get, I would let it run for 3, 4, 5 days at a minimum, maybe a week. It just depends on how many people are going to see your title and thumbnail in the first several days. And I was looking at a client's channel yesterday. She shared her screen and she had one that had been running for about 2 weeks at this point. Maybe it was 12 days. And there was a super clear winner. The one in the middle said it was something like 55% click-through rate. And then the other 2 were way, way smaller, like in the 20s and 30s. And so we were able to say, declare that one the winner and stop the test. It's been running long enough now. With that kind of data, we don't need to keep letting it go. We have a pretty clear indication of who the winner is. So let's turn it off. And then we could take the winner and do 2 more titles that were totally different and try that instead. Or now we could try it against different thumbnails and do a test that way. This is great because it's free inside YouTube Studio. We're all getting it. Nobody has to pay extra for it. And it's amazing. But what do you do with this data when you're looking at your analytics and it's giving you all of this great data? Watch this video next, because YouTube did a total overhaul to their analytics pane over the summer. And it's got so many new features. If you haven't taken the time to look at your analytics, you're going to want to go check that one out next, because this is how you grow your YouTube channel.